them. Marshals can pick up those people. Marshals. No, I'm requesting. No, please. Sohail Saab. Koppula Narasimhareddy garu. Sohail Saab, 8 minutes. No, I have this act I'm going to read. I will have to pick up them. I have to pick up. Marshals pick up cheyandi వాళ్ళని వీళ్ళని ఎవరు నుంచున్నారో టేబుల్స్ మీద ఎవరు నుంచున్నారో వాళ్ళందరిని తీయండి. I cannot tables మీద నుంచిన వాళ్ళందరిని తీయండి. You cannot stand on the table. You cannot stand on the table. You cannot stand on the table. Marshals will pick up everybody who are on the tables. Marshals will pick up everybody who are on the tables. ఒకవేళ మీరు హౌస్ లోంచి వెళ్ళిపోదలుచుకుంటే వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. హౌస్ లోంచి వెళ్ళిపోతే వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. You cannot stand on the tables. Shravan. Yeah, Marshals. 1 minute. I will play. No, ab thero. No. BJP వాళ్ళకి నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీ టేబుల్స్ ఎక్కిపోవడం ఏం మర్యాద అండి అది? I have to withdraw the members. బయటకు పంపించేస్తా నేను. BJP will go and take their seats, please. BJP members will take their seats. MIM will take their seats. If not, the members will be taken out. If not, the members will be taken out. I request cooperation. I requested everybody to cooperate. This is no religion. We're all the members. Please respect. Sit down. Please sit down. If not, I have to give a break. Marshals, you go. Please, I request everybody to sit down, please. BJP వాళ్ళు కూడా please, I request. No, we are not here. నేను ఒకటే రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నానండి మీరు అందరికీ. No, you don't have to tell me anything. You don't have to tell me anything. You don't have to. ఎవరు కూడా మాట్లాడకూడదు. When the chair is speaking, please understand. When the chair is speaking, please understand. What is this nonsense? Everybody is getting onto the chairs. When a chair... No, Sohail Saab, please, 1 minute, please. Moka do, 1 minute to moka do. Are, is this the respect that you're giving the chair? Chair mungala meer chair lekkesi okal kottunnaru. Is that... No, wait. No, I will not give anybody a chair. I will not give. Sit down. Respect your ex-officio members also here. Are, మీరు మీ MP గారు ఉండగా మీరు టేబుల్ లేపి కొట్టుకుంటారండి ఇది? What is this? అందరూ కూడా what is this? Your ex-officio members are sitting here and you are getting onto the chairs and fighting. Are we rowdies? No, are we rowdies? We are all members. Sit down. Yes. Okay. On behalf of everybody, on behalf of that people.
No.
बैठ जाओ प्लीज. Okay, I will. आप बैठ जाइए. रघुनंदन साहब को एक बार मैं एक बार no sit down. वहाँ रघुनंदन गारू please tell. I will let Raghunandan garu give that explanation. He will give that. Sit down for a minute. Anna, ఒక్క నిమిషం. Anna, Raghunandan garu, ఒక్కసారి you please give them the clarification. This should not happen. No, BJP, you're getting to be too much. అందరూ కూడా మిమ్మల్ని సహకరించి today we have agreed to, when we gave respect to our MP, we as a chairperson I gave respect to Raghunandan garu when he requested me for Vande Mataram. All the members here, ikkada ex officio members andaram kuda we agreed on one platform and said, okay, then we said state Geetam kuda cheppam. Ainanka kuda meer benches మీద ఎక్కే అవసరం ఏముందండి? Yes, some people have some objection there, but that doesn't mean you go దూషించుకునే విధంగా we should not be behaving. We are all corporators. Please understand. And నేను ఫస్ట్ చెప్పాను సభ సజావుగా జరగాలి అనేసి. If you behave like that, all the members will go out. If you are not interested in participating, fine, you are not interested. Raghunandan garu, please give the clarification. I'll let Raghunandan garu give the clarification.